Hello guys, I'm Shubham Jimpa, aka Developer Guji. Let's start. So today we're gonna start our PyCharm. So let's create a project to see basic syntax and how to write hello world. Okay, it started. By the way, sorry for the ticking noise from my clock and other background noises. So for the new project, just click here. You will get this screen if you first time load this program, PyCharm. To create a new project, click here, click new project, then let's name it hello. Okay. Then you will see this arrow here, and when you click on this, you will get two options. Uh, my suggestion will be you will take this virtual environment. Virtual environment is a topic of advanced level, so we will discuss it later. Just select this one and create. It will take some time. Okay, we are ready. Now this is our project and this is file for the virtual environment. You don't really focus on this. Just ignore this file, the folder. Select this folder hello, which is your project name, and then click on new and new Python file. Just name it like hello hello world. Okay, and click OK. So, so in Python, write hello world. It is very simple. Just print and then hello world, and we are done. So to run this, we have to go to run and then click on run. And this will ask for which file to run. So we want hello world and voila. So so to print something on console, this is console, and to print something on console we use print, and this is the basic of program of Python. So somebody just thinking why do we don't have main function like in other languages such as C++ and Java. So this is the real uh, feature of Python. We have hardly write many lines of code to do some task. So 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 that's why we use Python. It's very simple, very easy. So so what if somebody need to run main function? So we have a main function. Let's see how to use that. So just so write function we use def main. So don't think about it. We will have gonna have a function video. We will clear out the video. Just see how it works. So print this is in main uh, main function. Okay. Now we want it every time we run the file, we want the main function to run first. So for that we will use if name equals to main colon, and we will call main function. Voila. So so you will see these lines. These are for the indentation and some guidelines created by Python. We call them PEP. So remove these lines. Actually, they are not bugs. Our program will run. If there is a red line here, like this, we can see this red line. That means it's a bug. So in Python, uh, if indentation is not proper, it will throw error, and we will not able to run our program. So in Python, indentation is important. If our program is right and we have not indented it correctly, then it will create bugs. So remember that. So to solve this, just go here and it will. And for that guidelines, we have to select all this by Control A. Then we have to Control Control Alt and I. This will Control Alt I and Control Alt L. This will solve that issue. Okay, now we will run this program. So for that, run and run hello world. Okay, so here's the result. Remember that in Python, indentation is important. So, and the creator of Python deliberately want you to indent lines because it increase the readability of code. So that's why indentation is important. Just keep in mind. Okay, we will meet you. I will meet you in next video. Until thanks, and do subscribe my channel, and please click on bell icon so that you will get my video when I upload instantly. See ya.